Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in the last class we have discussed about that how you can split a video, how you can cut a video into VN editor. So let's see some other options as well. So as you can see, here's the video, and now let's go to the second option, which is called trim. So we have to click on the trim. So as you can see, after clicking on the trim, we have to select the video that where we want to make a trim. For example, I'm going to select this here. Now let's select this here, and now simply what I'm going to do, I'm going to drag this here, and now I want to select this video. I want this video and I don't want these parts. So simply I'm going to click on the right, and the video will be trimmed in this way. For example, I'm going to also delete this one, so let's delete this, and now this is the video part which I want. If you want to make it zoom in, you can also do that. I want this, it should be fit to timeline, so we have to click on this. Let's click on this. So as you can see, now it's done. And now if you want to drag this, you can also do that. For example, I'm going to click on this again, so let's click on this again. Now it will be fit again. So as you can see, now it looks much better. So simply if you want to add any kind of other clip, you can also do that. So as you can see, now it's done. Now simply what we have to do, after trimming the video, as you can see, has an option for the extract audio. If you want that if you want that the audio should be separate from the video, you can also do that. You simply need to click on the extract audio, and the audio will be separated. As you can see, it's the split and the fade. So for example, I want to click on the split, so let's click on the split, and now the audio will be done. So as you can see, now let's play this. So as you can see, this is the video and this is the audio file. If you want to delete or ever do whatever, you can do with the audio file. If you want to use this video file, you can also do that. So in this way, you can trim a video and extract the audio in VN. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.